Today, I would like to take you through a demo of Clixon Analytics. Reports begin on the dashboard. Here, you will see several comparisons that are designed to give you a high-level overview of your purchasing, beginning with budgets versus actuals, production versus purchases, formulary purchases. Measuring formulary and non-formulary purchases is valuable information that Clixon tracks for you. Our target in this case is 90%. As purchases happen throughout the month, Clixon calculates dollars purchased in formulary and out of formulary, and calculates against your total purchases to give you the percent purchased in formulary. You can adjust your production value at the end of a month to reflect actual production or collection values for that month. The bar graph below displays budget versus actual dollars spent for each practice within this group. All reports share certain features. From the Purchase Analytics menu and using the By Month report as our example, you will see there are three main views. I am going to select Summary View. Notice the filters at the top of the report. Filtering for different criteria is simple. For example, to select a different date range, deselect the current month, then select an alternative date range and press OK. This will rebuild the report and display data for the selected date range. Changing the filters for category group or practices within a group works in the same way. For alternative displays, go to the option labeled Other Charts. Select the display you prefer, and the report will rebuild with the options you selected. All reports can be exported. From the Export menu, you have the following options. All reports offer the option to view details of the displayed data. Simply click on the chart to reveal the details of your selection. Data View will default to 12 months and will always display data in a grid form rather than a graph. Now that we've covered the general reporting options, I would like to take you through the different reports. By category. Data View. This report is going to list your top categories, dollar amount purchased for this date range, and the number of manufacturers for each category. The bottom grid on this report displays the categories, their subcategories, and the items within each subcategory, including dollars purchased for this date range. By subcategory. Summary View. You will notice in many of our reports we will limit the report. This is by design, so we are able to display the most important data on a bar or pie chart. In this case, you will see this subcategory report is limited to the top 30. Data View. This report drills down to the major subcategories where you spend your largest dollars. Listed here are dollars spent and the number of manufacturers for each subcategory. By Cost Center. Cost centers give us the ability to understand expense allocations for items purchased. Clixon assigns a cost center to each item based on the subcategory. In this summary view, the pie chart is displaying cost centers with the percent of total purchases allocated to each cost center. By quantity. Using Trend View, you will see items purchased once or twice in the default date range for all practices within this group. This will allow you to quickly see if something is out of the ordinary. Within Data View, Targets/Goals displays guides to work against. Ones/Twos displays items ordered one time, items ordered 2 times, and the total number of items ordered twice or less. Items Purchased displays the number of items purchased and what percent of items were ordered twice or less. By top dollar. From Data View, Targets/Goals display guides to work against. Total Purchases displays total dollars and total items purchased within the selected date range. Top 70% displays total dollars that make up the top 70% and the number of items those dollars represent. By formulary. Trend View displays a quick view of how this group is buying in and out of formulary. Target versus actual will default to a 6-month view displaying how this group is buying, comparing their target and their actual percent results. By vendor. If you are using our complete Clixon purchasing application, you will have the ability to measure your spending by vendor. By manufacturer. In Data View, you will see a list of manufacturers for products used in this group. This report will break down the total dollars purchased for each manufacturer and the percent of total purchases by manufacturer. Actuals versus budget. Data View provides an overview grouped by practice, displaying production, target budget, and target percent. Clixon displays all purchases and general supplies purchases and calculates against production to display actual percents. This concludes this video for Clixon Analytics.